Have you ever been worried about the security of your crypto assets on Gemini? What if your password gets compromised? The good news is, there's a simple and powerful way to add a second layer of defense to your account, and that's through two-factor authentication, or 2FA. 2FA is a critical security measure that's required for all Gemini accounts. It's the difference between a simple password and a fortress. It means that even if a bad actor gets a hold of your password, they can't log in without a unique, time-sensitive code from a separate device, which only you have access to. Gemini offers a few options for 2FA, but the most secure are using an authenticator app or a hardware security key. For today, we're going to focus on the most common method, which is using an authenticator app. So let's get straight to it. The first step is to log into your Gemini account. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. You'll want to look for the Security tab. It might be under a drop-down menu or in the main navigation. Once you're in the Security section, you'll see a section for two-factor authentication. Now, you have two primary options, using an authenticator app or a hardware key. We'll select the authenticator app. Gemini will then present you with a QR code and a secret key. This is the crucial part. Do not share this information with anyone and make sure to back it up somewhere safe. Next, you need to open your authenticator app on your phone. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy are great choices. In the app, you'll select the option to add a new account, which is usually a plus sign. You'll then be given the choice to either scan the QR code or manually enter the key. Scanning the QR code is the easiest. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Your authenticator app will instantly recognize it and add Gemini to its list of accounts. If for some reason the QR code doesn't work, you can always manually enter the secret key. Once you've successfully added Gemini to your authenticator app, a unique, 6-digit code will appear. This code refreshes every 30 to 60 seconds. You'll need to enter this code back into the Gemini website to confirm the setup. Once you enter the code and hit confirm, you're all set. Your account is now secured with 2FA. From now on, every time you log in, you'll enter your password first, and then you'll be prompted for a 2FA code. You'll simply open your authenticator app, grab the new code, and enter it in. It's an extra step, yes, but it's a tiny price to pay for a massive increase in security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.